Now let's make the body part. First, make 6 magic rings. Take out the yarn and pinch the yarn end. Wrap it around the middle finger and ring finger. Pinch it from the index finger. There is a more detailed video tutorial on our YouTube about detailed magic ring video. Scan the QR code in the instruction manual or the upper right corner of the screen to learn if you are not familiar with it. Make a mark button after first stitch is completed. The second stitch. The third stitch. The fourth stitch. The fifth stitch. The sixth stitch is completed. Tighten the yarn end, and 6 magic rings are completed. The second circle is 6 INC. Untie the mark button. The position of the first stitch in the second circle is the position of the mark button. Various needlework videos, we have a detailed step-by-step manual. And supporting teaching videos can be watched. Still the same. The position of the first stitch. Make a mark button. In the previous stitch. Continue to make an SC. This completes an INC. Next, continue to make 5 INC. The second round will have a total of 12 stitches. Follow the instructions to complete the 4th round. Then you will see the 5th round. The 5th round is the same as the head. You will also start to change the yarn. The red part represents the part that needs to be crocheted with light blue. The method of changing the yarn is the same as the head. Here is a demonstration. First, 8 SC. Make a mark on the first stitch. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. After the 8th stitch SC is the red part, start to prepare for the yarn change. After the hook passes through the loop, stop using the blue yarn. Take out the light blue yarn. Put the yarn end on the back. Press it with your fingers. Wrap the light blue yarn around. Pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. Complete the yarn change. Pick up the blue yarn and the light blue yarn ends. We will fix the yarn ends later. Start to crochet the red text part with the light blue yarn. 5SC. Put the hook through. Put the light blue yarn end and the blue yarn above the hook. Complete an SC. The 2 yarns are wrapped in the new SC. Still put the 2 yarns on the hook. This way you need to wrap 4 to 5 stitches. Fix the yarn. After wrapping 4 stitches, you don't need to worry about the yarn end. Hook the last stitch of light blue. The last stitch of changing the yarn is also to pull the loop over. Change to blue when winding the yarn. Continue to use blue yarn to hook the black part. 11SC. Put the light blue yarn on the hook. When the hook passes through, pull the yarn back. Wrap the yarn and pull the loop on the hook. Continue to do this 3 to 4 stitches to fix the light blue yarn. Also, after wrapping 4 stitches, the yarn is fixed, cut the yarn. Put the yarn end at the back. Hook the remaining blue part. Change the remaining yarn. Use this method to complete the body crochet. After finishing the last DEC, wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop. Leave 10 inches of yarn here to cut the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop. Tighten. Fill the body with stuffers. The body is completed.